Hello everyone. Once again, I welcome you all in class 7 physics class. So today I will start the third part of first chapter, and the name of that chapter is physical quantities and measurement. In this video we will study about the density. So what is density? Density क्या होती है? So the density of a substance is defined as mass per unit volume. It is defined as mass per unit volume. Now just see one thing. When we are going to equal volume of sand, when we are going to hold the sand and equal volume of cotton, the weight, the cotton is lighter as compared to the sand. Why? Because the particle, the mass of the sand is sand is very closer to the each other, but as compared to the cotton, that's why the sand is much heavier as compared to the cotton. So density, it is defined as mass per unit volume, and we can denote it as D is equal to M by V. This is the formula which is utilized. So if we will see the unit, what is the unit of it? So if we will going to use the unit, it is kg per cubic meter. So this is the unit of the density, and this unit we can also write like this. That means in both the way we will use the unit of density. So density of an object, किसी भी object की density, it can be either increased by increasing the mass. It can be increased by increasing the mass of a given volume. जब किसी volume का हम mass increase करते हैं, at that time the density can also be increased. Suppose you just see the iron nail. When we put iron nail in the water, the iron nail is going to be sink in the water. But the ship, which is also made up of iron, that is going to sail on the sea. Why it's happened? Because in the ship there is huge number of hollow space which is filled with the air. That's why it helps to sail the ship on the sea. Okay, so just see the measurement of the measurement. Measurement of density of solid. Measurement of density of solid. That means we are going to measure the So suppose we are just going to see the regular shape of solid, the shape which is regular. What are the regular shape? Just like block of a rectangular block. If we are just going to see the rectangular block, that means we are going to see the volume of rectangular shape, just like rectangular block. So we just need it length, breadth and height. These all three things are required to measure the volume of rectangular shape, just like rectangular block. Other thing, if you are going to measure the volume of cube, if I'm going to measure the volume of cube, so I need length into length into length. That's why these thing is very necessary to measure for the density. That means first we have to see the volume, whatever the volume, because it's required the density is equal to mass by volume. That's why first just see the volume and then we are going to measure the density. Suppose for example, if I am going to measure the cube of length 1 centimeter, and the mass is equal to 7.6. That means the cube of length is given here 1 centimeter and mass is given here 7.6 gram. So how we can measure the density? So as you know, density, we need the mass by volume, and I am having the mass, but for the volume what I need for volume L, and L is given here 1 centimeter. So 1 into 1 into 1, that means it is again the 1, that means 1 centimeter, 1 cubic centimeter. Okay, now just going to define the density. So density is equal to m by v, that means we are having 7.6 and density I am having 1. So what will be the density is here? The density will be here 7.6 and here centimeter cube and here gram. So it will be gram per cubic centimeter. So in this way we will just define the density of a regular solid shapes. So the density of liquid, if we want to measure the density of liquid, so it is very necessary to measure the mass of that particular liquid. So for mass, just take a empty beaker and measure its mass. So mass of empty beaker will be measured like small m. Now pour the particular liquid whose density is going to be measured. And mass of that liquid will be capital M. So mass of liquid will be, so the mass of liquid will be capital M minus small m. Now the last thing, that means how we will measure that density. It is very easy to apply the formula. Density is equal to mass divided by volume, and in this way we are just going to measure the density of a particular liquid. Now I hope you all are understanding the things which is going to be explained. Till then, bye bye. Next of things we will discuss in the next video.